Best Block Blast Strategy in 2024. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best strategies for Block Blast in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, I'll guide you through step-by-step techniques to maximize your success in the game. Let's jump right in. First, let's cover the basics. Block Blast is all about matching blocks of the same color to clear them from the board. The objective is to clear as many blocks as possible while managing limited moves. Make sure you understand how different block types interact, like special blocks that can clear rows or columns. Knowing the mechanics will set a strong foundation for your strategy. Now, let's talk about planning your moves. Before making a move, always take a moment to look at the entire board. Try to anticipate the results of your moves. This means looking for potential matches and not just for the immediate turn, but the future moves as well. Think several steps ahead and consider how to set up chain reactions that can clear multiple blocks at once. Special blocks can be game changers, so when you create a match of 4 or more blocks, you'll generate a special block that has unique abilities. For instance, the stripped block clears an entire row of columns. Use these special blocks strategically and combine them for even greater effect. For example, combining a stripped block with a color bomb can clear large sections of the board. Every level has specific objectives, so whether it's clearing a certain number of blocks or collecting items, make sure to focus on these goals. Sometimes it's tempting to go for big combos, but always prioritize completing your objectives. This will keep you on track to winning each level. Resource management is key in Block Blast, so keep an eye on your available moves or any power-ups. If you have power-ups stored, think about when to use them for maximum effect. Don't waste them on easy levels and save them for more challenging ones where they can really make a difference. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and adapt your strategy. Each level presents new challenges and layouts, so if a strategy isn't working, try a different approach. Learn from each game what works and what doesn't and adjust your tactics accordingly. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and optimizing your moves. And there you have it, the best Block Blast strategies for 2024. Remember, practice makes perfect, so use these tips to enhance your gameplay and clear those blocks efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming strategies and tips. Thanks for watching, good luck, and have fun playing Block Blast.